Happy Vlogmas Day 8. I woke up to a few centimeters of snow, and it is still snowing out there. So yeah, look at all that. Good morning. So I am already downstairs. It's early-ish. I've been up for a long time, but I've had to do a few things early on, and you might be able to hear in the background, but the laundry is going because it's laundry day over here on Sunday. I've got lots to do today. I am in the office tomorrow. I'm working for the next 4 days, 2 of which are going to be in the office. So I've got to do all of my planning for the week. I've got to pre-record some stuff to go up this week while I'm at work to keep things interesting around here for Vlogmas. And later on today, Marianne is going to pick me up and we are going to a Christmas market here in my local town. I don't know that I'm going to be able to insert the footage from the Christmas market in today's video. I might, if all goes well, but I won't make any promises. There will be things for you to watch today, but yeah, it's going to be a really, really busy day, which I'm not a big fan of on Sundays. I like my Sundays to be pretty chill usually. But hey, such is life. But let's get started with our advent calendar. I'm in a different location in my sewing room because I'm hoping being further away from the dryer is not going to be so noisy. But yeah, sorry if it is. All right, we are on day 8. Day 8 says, ooh, mistakes happen. They sure do. Let's see what we've got behind door number 8. Oh. Okay, this is cute. This is really cute. All right, so we've got 2 of these labels and they say, whoopsie. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it's cute, but yeah, I don't know how I feel about having a label in the back of my garment that says whoopsie. Anyways, we shall see. In some of my garments, I really don't care what the label says, as long as there's a label to tell me what the back is and versus the front. So this might be one of those situations where I just stick it in just to know which side is the back side. But yeah, so like I said, I've got the laundry going. I'm going to pre-record some stuff this morning to go up on the channel, and then Marianne is picking me up. So I will definitely be back at some point today. Just not sure what you're gonna get. So hopefully it's gonna be enjoyable, and yeah, I'll be back later. Hello, we are back from the Christmas market. It was pretty much the same as the last 3 years. I've been going there every year. It was a teeny bit bigger this year, or maybe it was just more like spaced out before. Like the years past, every merchant was crammed into 2 rooms, and now they added a 3rd one, which was very nice. So it felt like there was a lot more room to move. I did get a tiny bit of footage which I would have inserted already. So yeah, there were so many people, I didn't feel like taking the phone out and filming all of the time, just because, I don't know, I'm still very uncomfortable filming in public, I have to say. I have to get over that, but hey. But I did purchase a few things that I felt, you might be interested in. The first thing I don't even have with me anymore. I gave it to hubby already. I bought him 2 hot sauces. So he loves hot sauce, and this is from a very small company that makes everything in Montreal. So I bought him 2 flavors, which I hope he's gonna love. You can either add to recipes or use them as like dipping sauces or cooking sauces, that kind of thing. And then I got a few things that I'm still undecided as to whether or not I'm going to keep them or give them away. I'm thinking I'm just going to keep them because they were so nice. The first thing I bought, this illustration, which is basically me in graphic form. So a cat and coffee, like 2 of my favorite things, plus a croissant with strawberries. I thought this was so cute. So I'm going to find a frame for this and hang it probably in my little office nook upstairs. Yeah, this is just so sweet. So I got that. Then I got, oh, I'm sorry about the noise. I should have taken this out of the bag. But hey, I bought 2 magnets to go either on a whiteboard, which I have in my office nook, or on the fridge. The first one is a little cat, a black, well, it's very dark gray, but I'm choosing to say this is a black cat. So this is my baby bear. And the second one I got is Bear's brother. There we go. Puffs, who is gray and white. Look how cute these are. So these are probably going to end up going on my fridge because I think they're so cute. Then I got some earrings. Yeah, who am I kidding? All of this is going to be for me. So I got these earrings. These are all handmade by an artisan here in Montreal. And then I got these cute little earrings. So these are like little cats that are pink. I love this. Pink is one of my favorite colors to wear. So this will go with a lot of things in my wardrobe. And obviously I can wear these with like black and white, gray, just neutrals. People are really going to start thinking I'm a crazy cat lady. And then, oh, this is actually my son's. So I'm not going to show you this because this is my son's. He forgot to take it home with him. So yeah, so a couple of magnets for my fridge, a couple of earrings for me, and a beautiful, beautiful illustration that's going to go up probably in my office nook as soon as I'm able to find a frame for it. So I'm very happy. Now we've got another Christmas market lined up for next weekend. This one is up north, so a bit of a drive. So it's about 45 minutes to an hour north of Montreal. And that one is outdoors and indoors. So that should be a lot of fun too, if it's not, minus 25 out, which it probably won't be. So I'm very excited to take you along to that one on Saturday next week. But yeah, there we go for our annual trip to the Christmas market here in this town. Now that I'm back home, I'm going to finish my table runner. It's quilted now. All that's left is to put the binding on it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you when it's all done. And I've done it. Let me back up. There we go. Noel with the embroidery. I kept the quilting super simple. So I basically just quilted in the ditch around each letter. And then I sewed the binding on. I would never do that for something that's going to be used and washed a lot because the batting that's not secured, like in these areas where the batting basically is not secured, if you wash these quilts on repeat, the batting is going to start bunching up and tearing apart, and then you end up with lumps. Like if you've ever purchased a really cheap blanket, like at a Walmart or something, and you notice after a few washes that it becomes lumpy, that's why. The batting is not secured properly. So yeah, but you know, this is gonna be out for the Christmas season. It's probably gonna get one wash at the end of the season, and yeah, it should be fine. But I absolutely love it. And the back of the little table runner is a green corduroy, and this is basically the curtains I have in my kitchen. So I had to shorten them because they were way too long for the window we have, and I didn't want it to drag on the floor. But so yeah, so this is basically what I cut off of our curtains. So yeah, beautiful green. So this table runner definitely goes with the colors in the kitchen. So I'm super happy with this, and like I said, that's the dryer telling me it's done drying my clothes. All right, so yes, so it's all done. The tutorial is going to come at you on the channel probably on Thursday this week, so look out for that. Before I end the video today, because I really do want to keep these as short as I can on the days that I can keep them short, like today, I got an email from Andrea from Beyond the Pink Door today, who watched my unboxing video, and she said in her email that she thought I would love this fabric so much, and boy oh boy was she right, and to thank me for the unboxing videos that I do where basically I open the fabric and then I make it up that month. She sent me extra fabric in my box. So I have 4 meters of this stunning fabric. I didn't, like I should have known, but I didn't unfold the whole thing. And there's definitely more than usual here. So now I think my plans might have to change. So as much as I wanted to make the Nephiline blouse out of this fabric, I have 4 meters. I could make a dress. Like I could make a really nice dress to wear to the office with like high boots. Oh, I don't know. I still want that blouse, that Nephiline blouse. I really do. So I could do the blouse plus something else, which would be a lot of fun. So I could have the same fabric in 2 garments instead of just 1. Like I could make myself a super cute cami. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? What should I do with my gorgeous, gorgeous fabric? I'm just not sure I would wear this as a dress in the winter. So I could make myself a spring summer dress with this. So then I could, you know, wear it bare leg with a cute pair of sandals or something. I think that would look really spectacular. Yeah, so let me know any thoughts and ideas around what dress pattern I could make with this gorgeous fabric. All right, so like I said, I'm going to leave it here for today and get going re-recording or pre-recording a bunch of things for you for the coming week because I will be at work most of it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope you're having a fabulous Sunday, and I'll speak to you tomorrow. Bye.